My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site Antel.live. This site Antel.live is extremely deceptive. Currently it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them really scared about the condition of their computers in order to eventually force them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. It's obviously a serious mistake to actually interact with all these deceptive pop-ups, so don't ever interact with them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups suggest. My recommendation is that you simply leave that page, and I also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page, download the software, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.